ADP Payroll is a comprehensive platform used by businesses to manage payroll processing, tax filing, and HR-related tasks. Here's how to effectively use ADP Payroll. Employee management. Onboard employees into the ADP system, capturing essential details like personal information, employment status, and compensation packages. Payroll processing. Input employee hours, salaries, bonuses, and deductions into ADP's payroll module. ADP automates calculations for gross wages, taxes, and deductions based on current tax laws and company policies. Tax compliance. ADP ensures compliance with federal, state, and local tax regulations by automatically calculating and deducting payroll taxes. It also generates and files tax forms such as W-2s and 1099s. Reporting and analytics. Access customizable reports and analytics to track payroll expenses, employee costs, and compliance metrics. Use these insights for budgeting, forecasting, and auditing purposes. Employee self-service. Enable employees to access their pay stubs, tax forms, and benefits information through ADP's self-service portal. This reduces administrative overhead and empowers employees to manage their own data. Integration and support. Integrate ADP Payroll with other HR systems, accounting software, and time tracking tools for seamless data flow. Utilize ADP's customer support and training resources to maximize the platform's capabilities and address any issues promptly.